Hello friends, welcome to my video. Today's topic is about preparing to talk, that is learning imitation skills. As we know, imitation is a crucial aspect of skill development because it allows us to learn new things quickly and efficiently by watching those around us. Most children learn everything from gross motor movements to speech to interactive play skills by watching parents, caregivers, siblings, and peers from these behaviors. Any speech production activity involves movements of tongue, lips, jaw, and other structures of the mouth. We may not realize it, but these movements are a series of very complex tasks, and it is unreasonable to expect that a child will be able to learn this complex movement right away. Hence, starting from the simple movements of the hands to the most complex movement of the tongue will help in development. In speech, the movements are not one single act but a sequence of interrelated action. Learning to produce movements alone will not be help in speaking, but learning what to speak will help. The movement have to learn so that the child is ready when the actual opportunity to speak arises. At first, we will discuss work on activities for motor imitation without toys. Objectives helping the child for motor imitation without toys. Situation any time of interaction. Activity. Here, first instruct the child, do as I do. Then present the action such as clapping, shaking hand. Wait for the child to repeat. Prompt if necessary. Repeat, for example, open your mouth. If the child does, you repeat too. Pat the child's hand and encourage her to pat yours. Make use of natural situation and bring appropriate expression on your face. Wait for the child to imitate you. Praise immediately by a kiss, hug, or a sign of approval. Helping the child to imitate your action making hand shapes. Situation, playtime. Materials can be candlelight. Activity. Here, instruct the child, do as I do. Then present the moments. Make shadow design with the hands, example dog, rabbit. Wait for the child to copy. Immediately reward him by saying good for any of his attempt. Objective. Helping the child to copy your movement and action, especially hand movements during songs and rhymes. Situation, any time of interaction. Activity, place your child comfortably near you. Sing song, action rhymes. For example, this is the way we brush our teeth. This is the way we comb our hair. Repeat each action twice with the rhyme. Use a big mirror for imitation activities to make it more interesting. Accept any of your child's sub-style attempt with a smile. Once the child has mastered motor imitation without toys, then move to the activities for motor imitation using toys and objects. Objective. Helping the child to imitate during play with dolls or toys. Situation, playtime. Material like teddy bear and other dolls and toys. Activity. Have a doll or a teddy each so that your child has the chance to imitate your play or action. Pretend to feed the doll or give the teddy a drink. Make them jump, run or turn. Wash them, brush their teeth, dress, undress them and put them to the bed. Sit them or on the toy car, hide them, put a hat on the doll or self. If needed, give physical prompt to the child in his action. Variation for imitation games. like put blocks in the cup, push the cart, roll the ball, turn the pages, ring a bell, stir with a spoon, wash small utensils, build a tower of 3-4 blocks, copy pictures with crayons or paints. After your child is able to imitate body movements using toys, transfer from motor to sound imitation, because that will provide your child practice in vocalization as well as an opportunity to hear the sound of speech. Objective: helping the child to develop verbal imitation. Material: any time of interaction. Situation: pictures of animals, birds and transports. Activity: make animal sounds such as wow wow, meow. Encourage your child to imitate the sound. Always have pictures or toy of the appropriate animals or birds. Objective: helping the child to imitate facial expression and sound. Situation: playtime. Material: mirror. Activity: make funny faces in the mirror and make funny sounds such as oh, mama, papa while playing with the child. Use simple repetitive words which the child is able to follow and imitate, like dada, baba, nanna, papa. Try to work on one sound at a time, but make it as natural as possible. Respond to any sounds your child makes and imitate them. Play games which encourage imitating, but do not force your child to imitate sounds. Always note, see that the child is attending to you. Variation: make rhyme sound with action. Make mama by rubbing the stomach. Oops when toys fall. Brr sound vibrating. Bye bye waving hands. Drr for scooter sounds. Objective: helping the child to imitate sounds, for example vehicle sound. Situation: playtime. Material: any type of toy car. Activity: instruct the child, do as I do. Then present moment by pushing the toy car, saying drrrr. Encourage the child to repeat the same. Make sure that the child is watching you. Give time for the child to repeat and reinforce by prompting. Vary the activity with train playing sounds. Then repeat it with bird and animal sounds too. When the child is in a position to pick up words and phrases, imitation skill will help the child to master the word production. Thank you. It's Maushmi Patel from CRC Ahmedabad.